Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix GTA 4 a social club error, not save your games. So you can try to a like go back to the timeline when your progress is, for example, your progress is 15% and do not save. Unfortunately, you cannot continue, so you can go back into when you can play the game. For example, when your save game is at 10%, so here you can download the run as that, run a program with the specified date or time. So here description, run as that is small utility that allow you to run a program in a date and time that you specify. For example, you can run your GTA 4. You can put the date or time when the GTA when your save progress that like I mentioned before, 10% progress. And here you can run your game. Simply click run. Don't forget to add GTA in here. So here you can try to learn the application by read all the description, how does it work, and system requirement. So here, for example, you can browse the game. Let's say, for example, here the Hitman. So here you can choose the date. For example, even you can go with the previous year. Then you can set the time and leave it a parameter or start in folder, and move the time forward according to real time, then click run. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.